Today I'm going to show you how to draw a carrot. So let's go over to the calligraphy tool, select it. The first step is I'm going to draw a triangle as my guide. I'm going to make that in red, so I went and clicked on the red color on the menu. And then I'll just draw an upside down three-sided triangle. Now, I'll come and click on the calligraphy tool again. I just changed the color to black, and I'm going to hit the back button so it goes back to red. And you'll see why I changed the colors later. And now I'm ready to draw my carrot using my red triangle as the guide. So, starting from the top, middle, I'm going to draw like a 3, the number 3 around my base triangle. Kind of like a loose 3, little curvy shapes. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'll close that. And don't worry about any overlapping. I can fix that later. So, I've drawn the body of the carrot. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to put in my little line ridges. So all these little indents here, that's where we're going to put our ridges. We're going to make them varying sizes, which is smaller at the bottom and longer at the top. So now that I have the base and my ridges, I will draw the stem. I'll make 2 parallel lines, one here at the top, okay. Now I'm going to make a 5-sided leaf using that same kind of curvy line technique that I used to make the base of the carrot. So we'll start here, put one on top, and come down. The same thing on the right stem. I'm going to make a little curvy line, and then a bigger one on the top, and there to close it. So now I got my carrot and my stems, and to get rid of this base guide that I made, what I'm going to do is go to the select. I'm going to select it. From here I can just say, I can right click and just delete it. Or here's another little trick. Let's say if I have like lots of these little different color red base guidelines, what I can do is click on one of them, right click, choose select same, and let's say fill color, and it'll choose everything that matches that color, and then I can just go ahead and delete it. So that's a neat little trick to use. So now that I've finished drawing my carrot, what I can do now is color it in. So I will select, click on anywhere, and then click on the fill tool bucket, which is fill bounded areas. I'll choose an orange color, and then that just fills it in. And I'll go back to select, click anywhere else, come back to the fill bucket, choose the green color, fill that in, do the same thing for the other stem. And now, while that's still selected, I'm just going to drop it to the back. So I'll use this button here, which is, if it's dropped to background, lower selection to bottom. That's the name of it. And as you can see, the green color is behind the outline, which is what I want. So I can see the outline of the carrot. I'll just go through and do the same thing with all of them. I'm going to go back to my calligraphy tool and choose black. Choose the back button. Don't worry, anything is editable. And I'm just going to like add a little decoration to my stem here. There we go. And that's our carrot. I hope you like that.